Hey buddy, welcome to my channel. Today I am here to show you how to extract text only from alphanumeric string in Excel. So if I have got this text and numbers in same cell, I have to separate. So using this short formula, quick easy formula, you can do it. So I have made one formula. You can copy it in from description. I have copied this and I will write it here before after this equal to and paste it here, and you see the options here. I will hit enter and you will get here by this is A3. I will change here A3 and done. And you can see that if I want only text, I can drag this and you will get, and the text will be separated and it will be done. So using this substitute function, I will give this in description. Using this formula you can separate the text from numbers and use it to in your action. So in this way you can separate the text and you can extract the text from this string in Excel. So I hope you like this video. I will give this formula and you can paste it and use in your Excel or anywhere. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. Thank you.